Can anyone use the Sherlock Holmes mind palace for memory? Imagine being able to remember a long list of items, facts, or speeches just by walking through a familiar place in your mind. It sounds like magic, but it is actually a real technique called the method of loci, often called a mind palace. Anyone can learn to use this method, no special talent needed. It is a way to boost your memory by creating mental images and placing information in specific spots within a location you know well. To start, pick a place you know very well, like your house, your school, or your neighborhood. If you prefer, you can even create a completely imaginary place. The key is that you can visualize it clearly in your mind. Next, assign each piece of information you want to remember to a specific spot in that location. For example, if you want to memorize a shopping list, you might put apples on your front door, bread on your living room sofa, and milk on your kitchen table. Then make the images you create vivid and memorable. Use bright colors, funny faces, or emotional feelings to make the images stand out. The more unusual or emotional the images, the easier they are to recall later. When you want to remember the list, just imagine walking through your house or neighborhood. As you pass each spot, the images will pop into your mind, bringing back the information you stored there. This technique is backed by science. Our brains are naturally good at remembering places and visual details. When you link information to a familiar environment, it becomes easier to recall. It is especially useful for memorizing facts, speeches, or sequences. Students often use it to remember historical dates or vocabulary, and professionals like actors or speakers use it to memorize lines or key points. The best part is, you do not need any special skills or training. With some practice, you can develop your own mental palace and improve your learning and retention. It might take a few minutes to set up your first palace, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes faster and more natural. Regularly reviewing your mental space keeps the memories fresh and strong. So yes, anyone can use the Sherlock Holmes mind palace for memory. It is a simple, effective, and fun way to boost your brain power. All it takes is a little imagination and practice, and you will be surprised how much you can remember just by walking through your own mind.